Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be installing the Blitz Suction Kit intake pipe for the BRZ and GR86. The Blitz kit replaces the rubber intake hose that connects to the throttle body with a polished aluminum tube. This kit retains the stock airbox so you won't be sucking in hot air from the engine bay. After installing it, we could instantly tell that the induction sound was louder and more aggressive, and you can hear some cool suction noises as the air flows through the pipe. The cost is around $120 at the current exchange rate. It also adds a nice bit of bling to the engine bay. To install, first unclip the breather hose. To make pulling off the hose easier, spray a little lubricant on it and let it soak in, then twist it off. Use a Phillips head to unscrew the hose clamp connected to the airbox. Disconnect the cable to the mouth sensor and set it aside. Pull out the rear section of the airbox to give yourself more room to work. Use a flathead to loosen the hose clamp connected to the throttle body. You can now pull off the tube. Here's what the factory tube looks like. There's a resonator on the bottom that quiets the induction sound. Here's the Blitz tube with no resonator. Make sure you put some Teflon tape on the breather hose connector before you screw it in. Attach the silicone coupler to the throttle body and tighten it securely. Next, attach the back of the airbox to the other end of the Blitz tube and clip it back into place. Make sure everything is aligned correctly, then tighten the rest of the hose clamps. Connect the breather hose and clamp. Clip the mouth sensor cable back in, and you're done! Next step, we'll provide a sound clip comparison between the stock tube and the Blitz tube. The audio doesn't do justice to how much louder the Blitz tube is than stock. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more BRZ content.